Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sanders here at Integrated Health Solutions, here with another tip for, have any of you ever had pain in this area here? This is shoulder pain that is often kind of deep in the front of the shoulders, but you can't find it. It's hard to press in and try to make it be painful by pressing. It can be very troublesome. Some of my common patients that will experience this, as practically a lot of people sitting at desk, my athletes, a lot of people can get pain right here in the shoulder. Well, one of the areas that this could be causing pain in this part of the shoulder is the rotator cuff muscle, specifically the infraspinatus muscle. When this muscle is under stress, particularly for a long period of time, it can develop trigger points. Trigger points are areas within the muscle that, when overused, or strained and not given proper rest, can become irritated. It can build tissue around the muscle so that it becomes hard for it to contract smoothly and ergonomically, so that it builds up tension, and that tension leads to triggered areas or irritated areas that are called trigger points. And the area that it refers to a lot is the shoulder joint. Deep in there, hard to locate. So I'm going to go over a couple different techniques today that will help with that. But before we do, another note to this type of pain that is common for people to get is people who sit at desks for a long period of time. Sitting with your shoulders slouched forward here in this position here causes strain, tension pulling across the back and into the rotator cuff. And that infraspinatus is in this area right here. And over time, we can get used to that and cause those trigger points to actually develop. So this is a great technique to help relieve tension in there. We're going to use a lacrosse ball, and we're going to use a wooden door. And what you're going to do is you're going to start with the ball right here on the outside of the shoulder, start against the door. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist and let the ball roll across those muscles back and forth. And what you're searching for is tight, tender areas. If you find a tender area, go ahead and pause, hold the ball there for 10-15 seconds, and the tension should go down. If it doesn't go down in 10 to 15 seconds, just keep rolling. But when it does, that means those trigger points are becoming more released. The area of that muscle is becoming less reactive, which means feeling better. You know, when you go to roll these out, if you do have active symptoms in that shoulder area, I recommend rolling out 3 times a day for about 30 seconds to a minute each time. That should help start to reduce the discomfort within the first 5 days of rolling daily. If it doesn't, that means there could be other compounding factors going on, or the trigger points are deep in the muscle where you need to get deeper stimulation or release of those trigger points, which you'll need other tools for that, which cannot be provided at home currently, but you'll need to come to providers such as myself here at Integrated Health Solutions, where we utilize medical acupuncture as well as some stability rehab to help correct imbalances in how the shoulder moves, to take tension off of that joint, because you may find that you roll and it's still feeling better, but then it keeps coming back. That could be another indication that you have a compensating moving pattern that still brings that muscle under tension that you need to improve. So give us a call, let us know how we can help get that shoulder pain back. And even if you don't feel comfortable doing the rolling, we can walk you through it here. So give us a call or go online at www.ihsindia.com and schedule your appointment to come get evaluated and get your treatment and get your shoulder function back. Check us out on our YouTube channel to find out other areas that you may be having pain with and how to help with those.